Hey everyone, welcome back. I just started up my 2023 Chevy Silverado with the Duramax diesel in it, and I just kind of wanted to share this with you real quick because it makes some funny noises when it's cold. So it's about 30 degrees out right now. As you can hear that whistling noise in that. So every morning on these cold starts, you know, this truck sits here and makes that noise, and I was like, man, is there a fuel pump going bad? It's only got 800 miles on it. So I was a little worried about what this might be, but I think I finally figured it out. So if you look inside the grill shutters right now are closed. And where this truck was started up cold, and I believe that big fan sitting in there pulling air through the radiator is making a whistling sound, trying to pull it through those grill shutters. So I think that's what the noise is. I'm almost 100% positive. Leave in the comments below what you think.